Hello everyone, my name is Himanshu and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install Windows graphics file in Windows 10 using code blocks. So without any delay, let's get started. Okay, so for running graphics program we need to download two files. First is WinVGIM graphics library file and second is 32-bit compiler. All the downloads links I gave you in description box, you have to just download from there. Once you finished all the
It's 9
downloads,
o'clock.
you have one file which is tdm-gcc-9 and this is the 32-bit compiler, and for running graphics program we need to link this compiler in code blocks and include graphics file from there in compiler. So first of all we need to just double click here and install it. Click yes. Okay, so uncheck this check for update box and just click create button and next here and install. And guys, please be patient because it will take some time. So okay, so installation completed successfully. We need to just click next button and finish here. Okay, now here uh, we have three files. We need to copy graphics.h in this box, in this folder. We have three files: graphics, libvgi and winvgi. We need to copy the graphics and winvgi file and paste it in the compiler. So we need to just copy here. Go to C drive, TDM GCC 32, and where here we have include folder. We need to just go there and go under, and we need to paste. Uh, we need to paste graphics and WinVGI here. And now we have one more file with libvgi. We need to just paste in the lib folder. Open it and paste it here. Okay, once you finish all the files, you just go to the code block. So we just double click here. Okay, now in menu bar we have uh, this setting option. Now click on this and here compiler. Now click on tool chain executables. Here we have we need to set the path of a new 32-bit compiler. So we need to go to C drive. Under C drive we have TDM GCC 32. We need to select this folder. Select folder. Okay. Now we need to go linker setting, and here we have other linker option. We need to just copy some command here. I already give you in the description box, so go to there and just paste it here. and click OK. Okay, now my code block graphics file configured, and we need to just create a new project so that we can check. And console application, go C++, next, and we need to give a name. Okay, so demo, next, finish. Under sources, main.ccp. Here we need to write the graphics program, and I already write in the notepad, so I pasted here. Okay, here built and run option, we need to just click here. And as you can see here, our program will be run. And congratulations, and thank you for the watching this video, and please give a thumbs up.